Hello, this is Crowe again, doing my daily video for Aisa Love's 100K Mastermind training. We're to discuss some of the things we learned. I'll mention three specific things. One is be the CEO of your own life. In other words, take charge of your situation and control your future by doing the things you should do to grow your business like it needs to be. Another is the proper mindset. And a couple of things that we've done for the mindset is we just completed doing our vision boards. So look at your vision board every day. See the things that you visualize that you're going to have someday by working this business. Another is the quantum sleeping affirmations. By doing those, that just gives you an overall better mindset about everything. Makes you more positive about life, makes you more productive. Just a lot of helpful things about that. And a third thing is doing a video every day. There's several benefits to doing that video every day. One is you actually get better at doing the videos. Another is you get in the habit of taking action. When you get in the habit of doing something, you'll keep doing it. So you get in the habit of taking action every day, then you will take action every day and do something to grow your business. Another thing is, by doing this, you are growing your brand. So all these together makes you better overall person. It's going to help you grow your business. It's going to give you the lifestyle that you want someday. One other thing to mention is, when I first found out we was not going to have the Saturday webinar, I was a little disappointed until, Dr. VOJ, he's concentrating on really doing a good job getting this video out. This video is going to change our lives. When he gets this video completed and we start pushing it, folks, this is going to be drastic. I mean, we're going to see something amazing. So I'm excited. Can't wait to get it finished so we can actually get started. And like I said, doing a video every day has got us and ready for taking action every day. So once he gets that video finished, since we're already taking action every day, then we're going to be ready to really get after it and do a good job. Hey, everybody, I'm excited. Glad to see everybody again. I'm looking forward to seeing you in your videos, and I'll see you again in another one of my videos. So I'll talk to you later.